welcome to a Minnesota Banking Minute. I'm Renee Lawler, and I'm here today with Tom Boswell Healy, our compliance consultant at Minnesota Bankers Association. Today, we're going to be talking about Regulation D. Tom, what changed with Regulation D, and when did this change come into effect?
Well, the change was effective April 24th, 2020. And what it changed is two definitions in the regulation, one having to do with savings deposits, eliminating the 6 convenient transfer limitation requirement. And the other was in the transaction accounts definition, and that was just bringing that in line with the changes to the savings deposit definition.
Do banks need to do anything as a result of this change?
Possibly not. It depends. They have the option. With the regulation change, there's no mandatory requirement to change anything at any bank, but if you don't make a change, there may be some updates you have to do if you send out notifications to customers that have exceeded the 6 convenient transfer limits. Typically, banks put in a statement in their notification letters that it was required by regulation, the 6 transfer limitation, so they'd have to remove that since that's no longer the case. Otherwise, if they do enact the elimination of the 6 convenient transfer limitations in theirs, then they will have to update their core system, their initial disclosures, any account brochures, any information on the website that refers to those limitations, as of the effective date of when they're going to make those changes. It's also a good idea to impose or to provide a change of terms notice, even though it may not be technically required because it doesn't adversely impact the customer. But just to make sure, since there's a substantive change to the requirements on the account to provide that notice to customers if they are going to enact the elimination of the transfer. And then it's always good when you're making any sort of change to train your staff so they're aware of those changes and what they mean for the customers.
Yeah. How do these Regulation D amendments impact a bank's deposit reporting?
That it doesn't necessarily. If you maintain the 6 convenient transfer limits, you continue to divide up your deposits between savings deposits and transaction accounts in the same manner, and there's no change there. If you do eliminate the 6 convenient transfer limits, then you have the option of either continuing reporting as you do normally, or you can make all your savings deposits transaction accounts, but that's only if you eliminate the 6 convenient transfer limits.
Well, Tom, thanks for joining us at a Minnesota Banking Minute with an update on Regulation D.